Okay, so we just come to a Holden Rodeo. Keys are stolen, so we've had to make new keys, and we're going to program out the transponder. It's important to have a battery charger connected to the vehicle. So this is actually an Isuzu motor, Holden Rodeo 2005. Programming some new transponders, and let's see how we go. So here are the transponders. These are the glass ID48 chips. These are brand new, so we'll program them in under that. I'll just put them there. Select the vehicle. It's going to be Holden Rodeo. Now with these, there's a whole lot of Rodeos, and there's two different immobilizers that the Rodeos have got, but there's a whole lot of different engines that they've used. So this one here is, oops, Rodeo, and it is this one here. Okay, so let's program in immobilizer, connect, turn the ignition on and turn it on. So the engine light is flashing, which in this one here it probably is the no keys registered, because it's just a standard key. And we've also got our voltage there. Okay, so it recognises that, and what we're going to first do is erase keys. All keys will be cleared. Do you want to continue? Absolutely. Now we also need the pin number for the immobilizer code when we do this. So each immobilizer pin number is different, so it's not a generic one on these cars, so it doesn't really matter the fact that I've shown it. So all keys are erased. Switch ignition off. Yep. Complete. Feedback, don't care. Alright, now let's go into programming keys. It's going to be a little bit hard. So turn the ignition is off. It is off. Yep. Insert the key you want to program and switch it on. Okay, so this is going to be the tricky thing. Hold a transponder there and program. I might have to pause this bit. Okay, so I'm going to try and do it with one hand. Ignition is on, transponder is in my hand, access granted. New key, yes it is. Switch the ignition off, switch it back on. Yes. Do you want to program next key? No. Because we're only programming two keys. Switch it off. Programming complete. Okay, let's jump out of there. So we've now got two transponders programmed in to this car. We'll make sure that it's out of gear, number one. Because it's an older car, we'll also just turn the battery charger off. And we'll try starting the car. We've got one transponder here. So this immobilizer, the engine light should actually now, I think I have to do it at the same time. So let's just try and turn this key and hold the transponder at the same time. Ignition is stuffed. So the engine light is now on solid. Turn it to accessories, reds are on. Out of gear, let's start it. We have a battery problem. I just heard it click, so we're going to have to check the terminals. So we're just going to put the transponder in, turn it. Mobiliser light is on solid. The car is running, and we're done.